26,000 life-saving, mine-resistant, ambush-protected vehicles were delivered to our warfighters in Iraq and Afghanistan in record time. From design to delivery, this is MRAP. Warfighters in Iraq and Afghanistan needed vehicles that could protect and defend against the Improvised Explosive Device, or IED, and they needed them fast. The Joint MRAP Vehicle Program Office was established to spearhead the effort, quickly developing the family of MRAP vehicles.
The program began in November of 2006. First production really began in the spring of 2007. So in roughly 4.5 years, we produced nearly 26,000 vehicles.
MRAP vehicles have been produced by multiple manufacturers throughout the United States and beyond. During the height of production, MRAP manufacturers were building vehicles 7 days a week and collectively producing an average of 44 per day. Different variants, including the Buffalo, the Cougar, the Cayman, the Max Pro, the RG31, the RG33, and the MATV, were simultaneously produced in dozens of manufacturing plants. It is here, on the manufacturing floor, that parts from hundreds of suppliers from around the world come together to create an MRAP vehicle.
We built a truck that's going to save lives. Can't hardly get any better than that.
Once assembled, a vehicle is prepared for the next phase of its trip. On this day in December 2011, an MATV vehicle is lashed up for the long drive from the manufacturing plant in Pennsylvania to South Carolina, where it will be equipped with communications and weapon systems at SPAWAR, the Navy's Space and Naval Warfare Systems Atlantic Center. The trip began early in the day.
I'm done, I guess. I'm ready to roll.
And over the next 10 hours, the driver of the truck had a lot of time to consider why driving this load is so important to him and to his country.
I was the one that picked up the very first load of units going down to Charleston. With the new equipment that they have now that they're building, if it protects a few lives, it's a plus.
The trip continues for many hours through several states as the MATV makes its way towards South Carolina.
Well, my father was in World War II. He was a machinist mate, and I joined the Navy in '62. My son was in the Marines. My brother retired from the Navy. So the family's been in service for quite a few years. So I feel like I'm doing a little bit anyways by moving this stuff.
First thing in the morning, the truck is admitted through the back gate, and the MATV is quickly inspected, offloaded, and prepared for the integration phase of its journey. SPAWAR engineers have integrated weapons and communication systems for up to 50 MRAP vehicles per day. This part of the MRAP vehicle's journey is vitally important, and SPAWAR employees have proudly worked around the clock to deliver.
We've had the benefit on receiving all of the MRAP family of vehicles. They have all been integrated in this facility.
It's very time sensitive as far as getting the equipment in, making sure it gets on the vehicles, and making sure that they shipped out according to the schedule that we're giving.
One mess up and there's a lot of downtime.
It could be a problem.
But not when Cheryl's in charge.
Not when Cheryl's in charge.
It's very unusual to see cooperation between the services. It wasn't 100% cooperative from the start. Old habits are hard to break, but through time, all the services realized that we have to work together to do this, and it's really been incredible how everybody's been getting along together.
Once a truck is fully equipped at SPAWAR, it's ready for the longer trip to theater. MRAP vehicles have been shipped and flown from Charleston to Kuwait, where they are checked in and
we process them and we get them ready to ship out of here so that we can turn them over to the shippers so that they can get them loaded up on the aircraft and out of here to the field.
The trucks arrive in theater where their delivery journey ends. A journey that began in production only months earlier. A journey that marks one of the most efficient operations in military acquisition history.
Hey, what happened? Just hit a bomb. Hop out, everybody! Everybody out, let's go.
A journey that has made a difference in saving lives every day on the battlefield.
All right.